coming?
Cecilia is sick today.
Oh.
I don't know about Lillian and Jacob.
Yeah. Start now. You're recording, right?
Yes.
Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Samapratha Nirvignam Gurudeva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Vande Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurudevo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Swarasandhi we have seen in the previous class. Okay. So, Ak followed by Savarnak, Dirgha Ak followed by Asavarna Ach, N. That which is in red color are Stani. And A or A followed by Ik letter will be Guna, right? And A or A followed by H letter will be Vriddhi. Guna letter A, O, Vriddhi, A, I, O. And H letter followed by H will be Ayava, Yavat. I, Au, I, A. Then the next one is Padanta Yakara, Vakara preceded by A or A followed by Ash. That will become Lopaha. Lopaha is disappears from vision, right? And seventh one is Padanta Eng followed by Rasva A. Both are the Thanis. Both will be replaced by the form, the previous, the Pururupa form, Pururupa. Both will be replaced by the form which is the last letter of the Pururupa, Eng, right? So Padanta Eng plus Rasvaha. We discussed this a lot in our class and also in previous class. So we will move on now. Here. So remember this. Some other rules are there, but it's okay, not required. And we saw what is Padam and all everything, right? Now we are going to see Visarga. Visarga is, you would have studied the Sandhi. What is called Visarga Sandhi or Vyanjana Sandhi. Vyanjana Sandhi, apart from these two consonants coming together, the Vyanjana Sandhi also because of Visarga only. Visarga changes to a consonant, we are going to see. And then we apply the Vyanjana Sandhi. So Visarga is the root. Now Visarga is the root. In fact, it is Sakara is the root. From Sakara only, Visarga is born. But not directly. From Sakara you get Repa. From Sakara, Repa is born, and from Repa, Visarga is born. What Sakara? Not simple Sakara, it should be a Padanta Sakara. That is another important condition. In that context only we saw what is a Padam. What is a Padam? Yeah, but noun form is correct, but I gave one Sutra, remember? Yes. What is that? Okay, Sutra. Sutra, it has got. Huh? Remember? Supting Antam Padam. Subantam Tingantam. Right? Sub Anta is Namapadam. Ting Anta Kriya Padam. Sub Anta Padam ends with sup. They are Namapadam. From Rama, the Shabda, otherwise called Pratipadika, from which we derive Namapadam. Right? How many Padams? From Rama, 8 Vibhaktis, 3 Vachanam, 23 forms. So 23 forms, which 23 Pratyas must be there. And those 23 Pratyas collectively, those 23 Pratyas, they have got this Pratyahara, Sup. They have got Sup. Sup is the Pratyahara for those 23 Pratyas. So it's 24. Sorry, 24. I don't know why 23 came from where. Yeah, I was saying, sorry, that's not 23, 24. I don't know from where 23 came. Came by mistake. Similarly, Ting are the Pratyas. We studied Latlakara. Ti taha anti, si taha ta, ni vaha maha, right? That is called Ting. That is for Parasmipadi. Similarly, for Atmanipadi, we have got. Okay, so those Pratyas, 18 Pratyas collectively called Ting. That which ends with Ting Pratyaya, Kriyapadam. That which ends with Sup Pratyaya, Namapadam. So, Namapadam, another word is Subantam. Sup Antam Subantam. Another word for Namapadam is Subantam. Sup Antam Subantam. That Sup Pakara becomes Pakara. Why? We will see later. Sandhi happens. That also. And Kriyapadam. Kriyapadam is called Ting Antam. Ting Antam Kriyapadam. Right? So we can, this is a simple sutra. Sup Ting Antam Padam 1 4 1 4. Right? 1 4 1 4. You can remember the Rama's Vanavasa. So you will remember the sutra number 14. 14 14. Right? Okay. That, now you know what Padam is. Now we are talking about, what do you want? 1 4 1 4. Now we are talking about Padanta. Padanta Sakara. That is Sakara at the end of a Padam. A Padam could be a Nama Padam or Kriya Padam. That Padanta Sakara will become Repa. And Repa further undergoes changes, becomes Visarga. So this is what we are going to see. Let us say Hari. You know Hari Shabda? Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Hari Shabdaha. What is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam? Harihi, Harihi, Hari, Hariha, Harihi. And Rama is Ramaha. How do you get this? Rama, to which you add a pratyaya corresponding to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right? You are going to add a pratyaya corresponding to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. What is that? That is Sakara. This is a pratyaya. Actual pratyaya is it's different, but it's okay. Sakara is a pratyaya. Right? This is 1. This is 1.
Where is the Sakara come from?
It's a pratyaya. Rama is Pratipadika. Okay? The Pratipadika we are adding Sup pratyayas. Right? You don't know what Sup is. But I am saying Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana pratyaya is Sakara. Adding that you get the Namapadam. Okay? Adding that you get Namapadam. What is that Padam? We are going to see. Rama is Pratipadikam. The Pratipadikam is a noun base, crude noun base. It is refined by adding a pratyaya. I am getting the pratyaya. Pratyaya corresponding to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Sakara. So you get Ramas, right? Similarly you get here Haris. Similarly Guru, let us say Guru. Guru plus the pratyaya corresponding to this becomes Gurus. Now what is this Ramas? Ramas is what? What I wrote before? Namapadam. It's a Namapadam, right?
Yeah.
Ramas is a Namapadam. Haris is a Namapadam. Gurus is Ramapadam, right? All these are Padam only. And Sakara, where is the Sakara located? End of the Padam. So Padanta Sakara, right? So now Padanta Sakara will become Repa. Ramar, Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. And similarly, Aris will become Harir. And Gurus will become Gurur. That is why Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo. Gurur is that. Why Gurur? Guru who? That is Gurus. Gurus become Gurur. And Guru, that is what you see in the shloka. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu. It is Gurus. Padanta Sakara becomes Padanta Repa. It becomes Repa. Gurur. Now Ramar, Arir, Guru. Right? This is what happens. Now, yes.
Only Shabda will have a consonant ending, right? Full consonant, but noun form or verbal form will not have a consonant ending.
Noun form, verbal form will not have a concept. Why not?
Only Shabda will have, as we discussed earlier.
I didn't say anything like that. Shabdas can also have concept ending. Why not? In Param also. To learn a lot. Okay. In Halanta Shabda, it's like that. So, Padam will end with consonant. Yes.
I think I understand.
Why not? Now Ramar is there. Ramar is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then, yeah. Padanta Repa, yes. So now the Repa is at the end of a Padam. Now this Repa is going to change. Further change is going to happen.
This Repa is after all the pattern or just only this?
Sorry?
I mean, every pattern should one Repa follow for that?
Why every Pada? In this, it is
Only this, right?
Sakara, it becomes Repa. Whichever Pratyaya, wherever the Sakara, I mean the Pratyaya ends with Sakara, it will become Repa. See,
Only for Sakara.
only for Sakara. Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Okay. Now, I'm just adding another one. Don't ask what is this. Rama plus just and Rama plus us. Now it becomes A plus A becomes Ramas. What is this? Sakara? Tadanta Sakara becomes Ramaha. Ramaha Ramu. Ramaha. What is the Pratyaya here? Just Sakara is the same Sakara. Go is here. You see that Ramas. Padanta Sakara becomes Ramaha. Clear? Any Sakara, any Padanta Sakara. Not required. Okay. I am taking only first case singular as an example. Now you get Ramar, Harir, Guru. This you have to remember. Okay. What is that? Ramar, Harir, Guru. Now this Repa is undergoing to change. Repa will change. The change is what we are going to see. It's only to the Repa. Right? The Repa will change. From then only the Sandhi further, whether you call it Sarga Sandhi or Vajjana Sandhi, starts. Now you get Repa.
These rules only apply for pulling.
Why pulling?
Striling also.
The condition is Padanta Sakara, that's all. Where is there Pullinga, Srilinga? Any linga. Even if Abhyaya is there, this will happen. But Abhyaya anyway don't have Sakara. Right? Wherever Sakara is, Padanta Sakara is there. I have given examples for Namapadam. Similarly for Kriya Padam, Gacchamaha. What is Gacchamaha? How do you get Gacchamaha? Okay, let's say a simple one. Patamaha. Patamaha, how do you get? What is Patamaha?
Reading.
We read. I to say we read. Pat to read. Patamaha. Yeah, it's a Kriya Padam or it's a Dhatu. What is this? It's a Padam or not? It's a Padam. The Dhatu is Pat Dhatu. To Pat Dhatu you add a Pratyaya. The Pratyaya corresponds to what? Yeah, what is the Pratyaya? What Vachanam? What Purusha? Purusha. It is Uttama Purusha, Bahuvachanam. Uttama Purusha is, okay, let me write Uttama Purusha, right? Uttama Purusha and Vachanam is Bahuvachanam. And the Pratyaya corresponding to Uttama Purusha, Bahuvachanam, in the Ting Pratyaya, because it is a Dhatu, right? Therefore, it is Mas. It is Mas. Mas is the Pratyaya. So, when you add this, you get Patamas. How you get, don't ask. Because then we will go to the Tinganta Prakriya. We are not interested in going to the derivation of Patamas from Pat. No, we are not interested. Understand? Pat plus Mas, because that is a different topic. That's a huge topic, different topic. For that I will give you a 2-class introduction, not required now. Pat Dhatu, you add the Pratyaya corresponding to Uttama Purusha, Bhagavachanam, Mas. What is that? Mas. Now you get Patamas. What is now Patamas? What is Sakara is that? Sakara, what is Sakara is that? Padanta Sakara. Padam is Kriya Padam. So Kriya Padanta Sakara. Therefore, Padanta Sakara will become what? Repa. Patamar. It is Patamar only. Now all this ending with the Repa. Now this Repa is undergoing. It is going to change. Repa will be changing now. Changing to Visarga. That is what we are going to see. So first one you write. Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Padanta Sakara will become Repa. That is the first one. This is a simple rule. Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Repa. If you want to write in English, you can write. That is rule number 1. You remember the rules in this order. The Sakara thing, whether they was taught you or not, I don't know. But it's actually, Sakara is what? The beginning. But Sakara, later, it's Padanta, it is replaced by Repa. So how Repa is gone? Padanta Sakara. Sakara is the cause. Right? Right, clear? Now, Ramar, Harir, Gurur, Patamar, everything is there. Okay, fine. Now, rule number 2. The next one continues. Now, I will write the rule later. Ramar Gacchati. What do you understand? Ramar Gacchati means not Tamil Ramar. In Tamil we say Ramar, Lakshmanar, Bharadar. Tamil always we say add the er, right? Not Tamil Repa. Ramar Gacchati. What is Gacchati? It is, yeah. Uttama Purusha, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam, right? Gacchati. Kriya Padam is Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. You identified. Who goes? Rama. Rama is what Vibhakti? Sakara we added, right? Therefore, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, Rama is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, between Rama and Gacchati, what is there? Space is there. Pause. Space is there. There are 2 words, right? 2 words. Between 2 words, what is there? Space is there. Right? The teacher walks on the road. The space, teacher, space. But when you speak, we don't give pause. The teacher walks on the road. The teacher walks on the road, he said. But you understand individual words, right? Between the 2 words, what is the pause? Yes. The pause is called avasan. Pause could be between 2 words there is a gap. And between the sentences there is a gap. Right? The teacher walks on the road. Full stop. He talks to the student, full stop. He asks the student, what happened to the notes? Just joking, okay. Each individual sentences, right? Yes or no? So after one sentence, another sentence starts. So that's a pause. You don't read just like one word. A teacher walks on the road, he sees a student, asks for the notes, no. You have to give pause between the sentences, then only meaningful, right? So between the two sentences there is a pause, and between the two words there is a pause. So when there is a individual padam, a pause is there, right? When there is a pause, then padanta repa. The repa is what repa? Padanta repa will be replaced by visarga. So you get Ramaha gacchati. Right? You get Ramaha gacchati. Now, in this, Ramar, what is Ramar? After that Ramar, what is there? After Ramar, what is the next word? In the line here, after Ramar, what is there? It ends. Therefore, Repa becomes Visarga, you right? Ramaha. That's what we chant. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo,
Now
Ram.
where is Ramaha come from?
Where is Rama come from?
Ramaha.
Rama comes from Rama plus Sakara. What is that? That's what you are saying. Where is Rama comes from?
Ramaha.
Padanta Repa. Repa is
Ramaha.
not Akaranta. Ramaha.
Yeah. The Bahuvachana. Ramaha.
It's okay. Another some pratyaya is added, you get Ramaha.
Okay.
Did he say the same pratyaya is added to all the vibhakti?
No, I was just thinking about that.
Yeah.
Jump to another.
Yeah, you jumped that. I also told that before. Just, do you remember? I typed and removed that. I removed that. It's not required, that I said. Some pratyaya is added. What will be the pratyaya? We don't know the pratyaya. Don't worry about it. Don't know. Padanta Sakara becomes Padanta Repa and Repa becomes Ramaha. Clear? So that is how we get. Now Rama becomes Ramaha. Why? Because there is a pause, avasana. That is one thing. Okay? Or it could be, see, it is the space between the words, or it could be between the sentences also. Right? Vayam gachamar. Vayam gachamar. This one gachamas. Right? The previous example you see, patamas. So gachamas, right? Yes or no? So gachamas becomes gachamar. Repa. Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. So gachamar, Vayam gachamar only. But after what is there? Danda is there. Danda is full stop. The sentence stops here. Avasana. That is Avasana. Therefore, Repa becomes Sarga, Vayam gacchamaha. Get it? Clear? Sorry?
I'll take a little break for my next class because I'll come back for a lesson.
Yes, yes.
Sorry about that.
So Vayam gacchamaha you get. Yes or no? Right? Gachamar. Gachamar become gachamaha. Because the pause is there, danda is there. Because another sentence starts. Vayam kadamaha. Vayam gachamaha kadamaha. The pause. The pause is indicated by the avasana. The end of the sentence indicated by the avasana. Between the two sentences there is always a pause. Between the two words there is a pause. Right? So now what happens? So Repa, it becomes Repa when followed by Avasana. Avasana is what? Pause. What will happen to Repa? Becomes Visarga. I type like this, understand? This is because Visarga alone cannot be there. It should be with some consonant. So this dotted circle is the consonant. What may be the consonant? And consonant of the word. I mean the vowel. Not the consonant, okay, sorry, vowel. Whether aha or vaha, or ihi, whatever may be. Right?
Can you repeat that, please?
So let me write this better. Visarga. Repa plus avasana becomes Visarga. Okay, this is better. Visarga means you understand what is Visarga. Visarga is colon. Right? So examples are given. Not only this, Repa becomes Visarga when followed by Avasana at the end of Avasana. Not only at the end of Avasana. Listen. Kakaha. It is Kakaha. What is that? So you tell me. Kakaha or Kakar? How do you get Kakaha? It is Kakar. It is really it is Kakar only, right? Kakar only becomes Kak. Yeah, Kakar only becomes Kakaha. Kakar only becomes Kakaha, right? Clear? Yes or no? We know Shabda Ramaha, Ramo, Rama. Therefore we say Ramaha. But how that Visarga came? Because of Ramar, Ramaha. Because of Kakar, Kakaha. Kakar because of Kakas. Clear? So now Kakaha. Okay, let us take Kakar. So now you understand. Kakar, Kadati. Kakar, Kadati. Kakar is one word and it is followed by Kadati. Now, one is, it is between the two words, if you give a pause, Kakaha, Kakar, Kadati. When you give pause, Avasana is there, Repa will become Visarga. That we saw. Not only that, if it is followed by a kar letter, then also it will become Visarga. Generally, Avasana, the pause is given between the two sentences, not between the words. Right? A pause is given between the two sentences. Therefore, at the end of a sentence, Avasana is followed by the next sentence. So, Padanta Repa followed by Avasana becomes Repa. That is one condition number one. That's one possibility. Second one is, the Repa, Padanta Repa, when it is followed by a kar letter. When it is followed by, what are the kar letter? Hard consonants. That is second letter of all the classes, first letter of all the classes and the sibilants. When it is followed by a hard consonants, this Kakar, Kadati, what happens to that? Padanta Repa becomes Kakaha. Right? So Kakar become Kakaha. You see that? Okay. So therefore, Repa when followed by kar letter or Avasana will become Visarga. This is rule number 2. Clear? Padanta Repa. What Repa here is? Padanta Repa. Repa, and because we are talking about only Padanta, right? Repa is born because of Sakara, Padanta Sakara.
So can you repeat Repa when followed by Kar letter?
Kar letter.
Kar letter
Will become Visarga.
becomes
When followed by kar letter or Avasana, pause, it becomes Visarga. But the condition Padanta Repa is not there. It could be any Repa. Repa could be at the end of a Pada, or need not be at the end of a Pada. Any Repa. So Padanta Repa is understood. So that's why I didn't write. Okay. Repa followed by Kar or Avasana becomes Visarga. Okay. In these examples, all they are Padanta, we are seeing from Padanta Sakara. Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, Repa undergoes changes. Repa is born of Sakara, Sakara at the end of a Padam, and now this Repa further becomes Visarga, undergoes changes, becomes Visarga. When followed by a kar letter or at the end or at Avasana. Avasana is pause, Viramaha, Avasana. So you get Visarga. Repa born of Sakara. Okay. Okay. Purva. Okay. Purva. What happened? Purva.
Then we can't replace it to Visarga, right? In that case. So I'm just saying we need to write Padana.
Is there any avasana?
Yeah, maybe.
What avasana? There is no avasana. Pur. After 10 seconds you will not say va. By then we will go for lunch. No. Okay. That condition, okay. I don't, because there are words like okay. We take Padanta Repa because we are talking about Padanta. Therefore, let me deal with Padanta Repa. If any other Repa is there, I will let you know. Now, Padanta Sakara, there's a continuation is there. Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, Padanta Repa. Now, Padanta Repa undergoes changes. Okay. Otherwise, unnecessary question will come. So, we understand like this. Okay. So, examples we have seen. One example for Padanta Repa followed by Avasana. Another example followed by the Kar letter. This is rule number 2. Now, rule number 3. So, now you know how Visarga is born. Visarga is born of Repa. And Repa is born of Sakara. Right? Now, this Visarga, in fact, Visarga, before becoming Visarga, the Repa will undergo change depending on what follows. The Repa followed by Avasana, this is Visarga. Right? Repa followed by Kar letter, what happens? Visarga. Now we are going to see Repa followed by let us say Padanta. Because we are talking about Pada, we are dealing with Pada now. So Padanta, let me say Padanta. Padanta Repa followed by Shar letter. What is Shar? Huh? Soft consonants. Shar. Harsh is soft consonant. What is Shar? Yeah, sibilants. Are they not part of Kar? Yes or no? Shar, is it a part of Kar or not? What is it? You are thinking?
Yes.
Kapa, Chatata, Chatatau, Kapai, Shashasar. Shar is Shashasar. So, Shar is part of Kar. Now we are going to see. A Padanta Repa followed by a Shar, what happens? What happens? The Repa will become Visarga following the previous rule. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because Shar is part of Kar. So when a Kar follows, what will happen to the Repa? Becomes Visarga. Right? Okay. Okay. Now, because a Kar follows, now this the Visarga is born. Okay. This is by the previous rule. Visarga is born. Kara avasana yogo visarjaniyaha visarjaniyasya saha. The Visarga, which is born of the previous rule, will remain. Okay, I am just modifying the Panini Sutra, tailoring to our class. Okay, because the whole sequence, if we say, becomes difficult. Padanta Repa plus Shar. What happens is that Repa will be replaced by Sakara. Repa will be replaced by Sakara, or Repa will be Visarga. Two possibilities are there. The Visarga possibility is because of the previous rule. It has become visarga. Padantarepa become visarga when formed by a kar. So the visarga will remain as it is. Yes? Or in the place of visarga, sakara can come. Optional. So two possibilities are there. That is, hold on. When padantarepa followed by kar, that repa will become visarga by the previous rule. If it is followed by shar is the part of kar. What happens? Visarga will remain as it is, or that will be replaced by sakara. That will be replaced by sakara. Example. Now, Ramar plus khadati, if I say, that comes under previous rule, right? So, because ka is kar letter. Now, I want a shar letter. Ramaha sarati, suppose, flows. Sarati, sha, sa. Okay. Or I can say shete. Shete means sleeps. Rama sleeps. Ramar shete. Now, what is here? Repa is here. What repa? Padanta repa. Followed by what? What letter? It's a kar letter. Within the kar letter, it's the shar letter. If you take it as a kar letter, yes, of course it is kar letter, right? Therefore, you get Ramaga shete. One possibility. Or, let me take example here. Ramaga shete. Padanta repa becomes visarga. This is taking the shakara as a kar letter, yes, being a part of kar, but shakara is a shar letter also. Therefore, what happens? Visarga may remain as it is, the visarga may be born because the condition fulfills the previous rule, or the visarga could be replaced by sakara. Ramas shete. Uttishtata, jagrata. Okay. You get? Ramas shete. Visarga is replaced by, the repa is replaced by sakara.
So the original form.
Back to the original form. Back to the original form. Yes or no? See, from sakara, repa is born. From repa, visarga is born. That visarga is undergoing change. That visarga is undergoing change now. That visarga will remain as it is, or it will be replaced by sakara when followed by shar letter. That is what it is.
Then I think this is optional.
Yes.
What's more likely?
Huh?
Which one is more likely?
You will,
What we see
in
now?
Gita you will find like this option. Visarga will remain as it is. Clear? So now, 1 minute. This Padanta repa I said, right? Padanta repa, it becomes what? I'm just modifying back to the one. Padanta repa becomes visarga. This is what visarga sandhi is. This is what visarga sandhi is. Padanta repa becomes visarga. Now visarga followed by shar. The visarga will remain as it is, or it will be replaced by sakara. Clear? I just, in the beginning I said repa. Why? Because I want you to see the connection. Connection from the previous two rules. Padanta sakara becoming repa, and repa becomes visarga. So I retained the word Padanta sakara repa as it is. Now I am saying, because you know it, because it is visarga. Padanta repa is visarga. Now visarga followed by shar. The visarga will remain as it is, or will be replaced by sakara. Clear? Yes or no? So therefore, Ramar plus shete, when you say, taking shakara as a kar letter, repa will become visarga, Ramaga shete. Now, shete, shakara is a shar letter, therefore, here, because it's a kar letter already, Ramaga it has come. The word Ramaga is the Ramaga shete. So, I am just modifying this. Ramaga shete. will become Ramashyete. This is optional. Either you can stop here, Ramaga Shete, or further you can do Sandhi, that Visarga becomes Sakara, Ramashyete. Understand? Yes?
Whatever you are with Ramas or Ramar, finally will become Visaga.
Finally?
Finally will become Visaga. Right?
What finally? Sorry, I didn't get
I
it.
mean, like whatever it was, Ramar or Ramas, finally it will become
Visarga, and Visarga is undergoing change now. It's
Yeah.
going to change now. The Visarga again has become Sakara, optionally.
Mm.
Visarga becomes Sakara optionally when followed by Shar letter. See, the point is this. From a Padanta Sakara, we get Repa. Now the Repa undergoes change, depending on what follows. When it is followed by a Kar letter, Repa becomes Visarga. Visarga is born. This is the Visarga Jananam. Or when followed by Avasana, Visarga is born. Right? So Visarga is born. Now, what follows Visarga determines the change happening to Visarga. What follows a Visarga? When Visarga is followed by the Shar letter, right? When Visarga is followed by a Shar letter, either Visarga will remain as it is, or Visarga will become Sakara. That's what we saw so far. Clear? Yes or no? Yes.
Is that why when we say, for example, Shanti is because of this?
Because of Shankar. Okay.
Because we don't say Shanti, we say Shanti.
Yes. Option is good. See. It is Shantis. Shantis becomes Shantir. Right? Understand?
Yes.
And now Avasana, therefore Shantir becomes Shanti. Shanti. Right? Now the what again one more next word, next padam follows. What is? Shanti. So now Visarga is followed by Shakara. So you can make it this Sakara. Visarga as, you can make this Visarga as Sakara. Shantis. But we don't say Shantis. Shanti. This Sakara also further undergoes change becomes Shakara. That's next one we are going to see later. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We don't say Shantis because we don't stop there. Further Sandhi happens. That Sakara becomes Shakara based on what follows. So, now what you need to understand is, in simple words, I'm writing again. Padanta, this you remember, Padanta Sakara becomes Repa, and Repa becomes Visarga when followed by a Kar letter or Avasana. When followed by Kar, let us forget about Avasana, you know Avasana, followed by Kar letter and making. Padanta Sakara becomes Repa, right? And Repa when followed by a Kar letter becomes Visargaha, and now the Visargaha undergoes will undergo changes. Now this Visarga when followed by Shar letter either will remain as Visarga or it will become Sakara. Understood? It becomes Sakara Visarga. These are the three rules. Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, Repa becoming Visarga when followed by a Kar, and the Visarga will remain as it is when followed by a Shar or will be replaced by Sakara. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. Now, if it remains, no problem. Ramaha Shete, Rama sleeps. But you have changed it to Sakara, Ramas Shete. Therefore, further Sandhi will happen. You cannot stop there. Further rules which follow later, the Ashtadhyayi, those things to be applied. That is what Sandhi is now. You know it? What Sandhi is that? Anuradhaji. What Sandhi is that? Ramas Shete becomes Ramas Shete. In the example, what I gave,
Yeah.
Ramas Shete is a, this is going to become
Ramashri.
Ramashete. Now you see one word, not one word, means Sandhi happened. What Sandhi is that?
I don't remember the name of the subject.
So what happens here? How Sakara becomes Shakara?
The Sha has doubled.
Not doubled.
It has apparently become. When we don't split it into two.
No. What is the reason though? What is the nimitta? That how does it become Sakara, become Shakara?
Visarga Sandhi, right?
Where is Visarga? Visarga already over. Ramaha become Ramas. Visarga is underline change now. Now Ramas Shete. Now Vyanjana Sandhi. What is Sandhi is that? Sakara becoming Shakara. We call Stutva Sandhi. Remember? Stutva. Chu. Okay. It's called Stutva Sandhi. Stutva. Okay. Anyway, that Stutva Sandhi comes later. Not later. I'm going to tell you about that later. Not now. Now we are interested only in Visarga. What are the changes Visarga undergoes? Asti, Jayate, Vardate, Viparinamate. That is what we are seeing. That is not Vinashyati for this. Okay. We will undergo a lot of change. If this you can strongly keep that in your mind. What? Patanta Sakara becoming Sepa and Repa becomes Visarga when followed by a Kar or at Avasana. Right? And Repa followed by, Visarga followed by a Shar letter will becomes Sakara optionally. Optionally. Right? That is what you will find in the Gita in many places. Visarga will remain as it is. So many places I have seen. There we apply this further rule, and when we chant, we replace Sakara in the place of Visarga. Sakara, Shakara, depending on what follows. The chanting.
This is to do with the Ichu Yasha Anam Talu. That
Why that one here?
the Chakara of the
Ichu Yashanam Talu, but what is the connection? Ichu Yashanam Talu here. You are saying Chitta Sandhi because of that?
We replace the Visarga with Shakara. So I was trying to understand.
Replacing Visarga by Shakara.
Yes.
Why replace it? How can you replace Visarga by Shakara? Visarga cannot become Shakara.
Ramaha Shete. Ramaha Shete has become Rama Shete.
Ramas Shete. Ramaha Shete. See, you can stop. Either you can stop here. This is one form.
Yes.
For or optionally becomes Ramas Shete.
Yes.
That's what you
How
said.
does Rama's Shete become Rama's Shete?
Huh?
Rama's Shete has now become Rama's Shete.
How? How?
She's asking if it's connected to the...
Icheshan Talu. No. You are asking you connected to Icheshan. No. That we call Stutva Sandhi. Anyway, we'll see that later. So these three rules you understand. Okay? So either, okay, let me mark this. If you mark with the green color means you can stop there. This is green color. Ramashete is one form and further it undergoes, Ramagashete is one form, further undergoes Ramashete. But Ramashete is another form, but we cannot stop there. After that, further Sandhi to be applied and you get the form Ramashete. That part we will see later. So here I am giving these two forms. Rama plus Shete becomes Ramaha Shete or Ramas Shete. Ramaha Shete you can leave it as it is, no problem. But Ramas Shete, no, it will undergo further changes. If you are replacing the Visarga by Sakara, applying the third rule, the Vyanjana Sandhi, then we cannot stop here, we have to do further Sandhi. Sakara will undergo change now. From Sakara, Repa born, Repa to Visarga, now Visarga back to Sakara. Now Sakara will undergo change. Clear? Okay. Next one rule I will say. Then we will stop. I said Kar letter, right? One simple rule, okay. Don't look at the clock. I said when followed by Kar letter. Yes? Ramaha, I give you an example. Ramaha Kadati, right? You know, in the place of Visarga, what was the beginning? Ramas. Then Ramas becomes Raman. Then Raman becomes Ramaha. Now what will happen to Ramaha? Is that the Visarga? Yeah. What is that? No. What follows here? Khar letter. So what will happen to Visarga now? Can you apply any rule, any other rule here? Whatever we have seen, 1, 2, 3. Sakara. Oh, which rule, sir? Which rule, ma? Which rule you apply?
The second root.
What is the second rule? Padantarepa for. Already Visarga is applying that only we get Visarga. Rama. You are going to back into the second rule. See, how I applied all the rules, okay. First it was Padanta Sakara, rule number 1. Then Sakara becomes Repa, rule number 2. Already you applied 2 rules, okay. The third rule is what? Third rule when followed by a shar only. Is it a shar letter? No. So here Repa, in the place of Repa, Visarga is there. Now what happens, I'm asking. Ramaha Kadati, what will happen? That is, I think will happen? Will happen. Ramaha Kadati, either it will remain as Ramaha Kadati or that Visarga is becomes Rama Kadati. That Visarga will become Ardha Visarga. I can't type the Ardha Visarga, I will write on the board. That Jitva Molya is there.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. It will remain, either it will remain Ramaha Kadati or it will become, this is the Ardha Visarga. Clear? What is Ardha Visarga? This is full Visarga. This is the one. So, how can I type that? Difficult. So, I write that Jikhva Moliya. Another form is Jikhva Moliya form. Right? I have to write like this. Rama Jikhva Moliya, because I can't type the Ardha Visarga. So you have to understand, don't write Jikhva Moliya, you write like that one, Ardha Visarga. Or I can write Ardha Visarga. Yeah, you understand Jikhva Moliya, that is better. Okay. Kadati. So two forms you have got now. Either Ramaha Kadati, Visarga will remain as it is, or Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga. That is the rule. What is the rule now? Visarga, when followed by what? Kar letter. All the kar letters? When followed, okay, when you say kar letter, Ramaha Chalati, will become Rama Chalati. It will become Ardha Visarga? Yes or no? So what will happen? It means what? Among the kar letters, when it is followed by kakara or kakara, then you get Jikhva Moliya. Optionally, you get Jikhva Moliya optionally. Either it will remain Visarga or Jikhva Moliya. So two possibilities are there. Either Visarga will remain as it is or Jikhva Moliya. Clear?
Yes.
Either you can say Ramaha Kadati or you can say Rama Kadati. Chanting you say this is a must. Now, I said kar letter. Among the kar letter, ka, kha, we have taken and things. What about the other letters? Other one is what? No, cha is different. Kha, pa, cha, tha, tha, chakatau, kapai, shashasar. Ka we have taken. What about pa, pa? Upatma. That possibility is there. Therefore, now Visarga when followed by rule number 5. Visarga when followed by Pakara or Pa. Pakara. Either Visarga will remain as it is or Ardha Visarga will come. That is called Upad Maniyam. Jikva Moliyaha Upad Maniyam. For example, Ramaha Pati, Ramah Pati. Pati means protects. Or any other word, chanting. You can say Ramaha Padati.
Punah Punaha.
Yeah, that's good. Punaf. Punaf Punaha. Punaf Punaha Kadati Ramaha. Punaf Punak Kadati Ramaha. Both are there now. Here Upadmanya is the Punaf Punaha and Punak Kadati. Both are there. Right? Punaf Punak Kadati. So among the curl letter, 4 letters we have seen. 4 letters we have taken. One is Pa, Pa, other one is Ka, Kha. What about the other letters? We will see the next class. Clear? Yes or no?
The last one.
Yes, ma'am. Upadmaniyam. Same Ardha Visarga. Punaf, Punaha. Upu, Upadmaniyanam, Oshtau. Remember? Same. Right? In the Shiksha Sutra we chant. Clear? Now, quickly I will show you this. You can watch this. See here. Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Repa. Rule, forget about the rules. Panini rules. Sasajisho, Ruhu. Actually, Ruhu. It is not even Repa, it is Ru. Don't worry about that. Now you understand Repa, that is enough. And Repa will be replaced by Visarga, either followed by a Kar or at the Avasana. This is example I have given. This is number 7 and 8. Why? Because I am continuing with the Achandi. That is my number. But in the class now I am naming the Vyanjana also 1, 2, 3. So that order you remember. Now Visarga when followed by a Kar letter. Oh, that we have not seen. Okay. Visarga when followed by a Kar letter. That part I can say. Anyway. Visarga followed by a Kar letter. I told you. Visarga followed by a Kar and you will Sakara.
Except Kha.
Huh?
Other letters
Okay, this I'll explain this next class. Because among the Visarga I talked about only Shar. But see, listen here carefully. Among the Kar letter, when Shar comes, I said Visarga will remain Visarga or Visarga will be replaced by Sakara. So among the Kar, you remove Shar. What are the other letters left out? Kha, Pa, Cha, Tha, Tha, Ka, Pai. That's all. Chatatav, Kapai. Chatatav, Kapai. Now among this, Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, that also we have seen. What is Digvamulya, other one is Upadmanya. What about the remaining letters? That is what we are going to see. That we'll see tomorrow. That letter, it is follows. Like for example, Ramaha, Chalati. Cha is what? Is it a Shar letter? No. It is a Kar letter. Among the Kar, it's not Ka, Kha, no. Pa, Pa. So Jidvamulya, Upadmanya possibility is not there. Cha is there. What will happen if it is Cha or other letters? Visarga will become Sakara. Like in the Shar rule. We will see. We will see that tomorrow. Ramaha Charati becomes Ramas Charati. Like Ramas Shete, and Sakara will undergo further change. We will see slowly. Clear? So after this, you remember whatever I taught. Okay, we will stop here. Last 3 examples. Yes. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dhanyawad.
One minute.
Want to copy this?